Hello, my name is Emily, and today I'm going to be discussing why I believe tornadoes are the most dangerous weather. National Geographic states that there are $400 million in damages and about 70 people die annually from tornadoes. And the Insurance Information Institute estimates that in 2011, the damages in total were around 30 billion, and insurance losses were around 40 billion. So I think in general there's not just loss of life, but the extreme, money it takes to take care and clean up of towns that are destroyed and, rebuild entire communities. They're categorized by the Enhanced Fujita scale. This one is from the National Weather Service and shows the Huntsville town in Texas. So it has descriptions of the various different buildings that were destroyed by the various different wind speeds. So 0 is just some tree damage, and then moderate damage is to buildings, and then it gets worse and worse until you have massive destruction. And then for the next 10 years, they've actually estimated that tornadoes are decreasing throughout the year per day. There's less tornadoes, but there are actually more tornadoes clustering together in each day. So while the year might have less days with tornadoes in general, there are more tornadoes in one day clustering around each other than there have been in the past few decades, like the 1980s in the past and so on. So the black here, as you see in the top, tornado in the United States is black, and more than 30 above the level of 1 in tornadoes is gray, so it's clustering more. So this is from the, again, the National Weather Service, but the information is from the CDC. They say that you should, if your house has a basement, get in the basement, or in a room with no windows, or on the lowest level is best, don't go up here. Getting under something sturdy like a table, covering your body with a blanket, a sleeping bag, or a mattress, as you've seen in movies, and protecting your head. If you are unfortunately in a mobile home or in a car, you should find the nearest building, hopefully with a basement, but that's not always the case, just anywhere but outside. And these are my sources.